Eggy-Veggie Patties. Carrot 1 big, chopped finely. Capsicum 1 big, cut into small pieces. Onion 2 medium, cut into small pieces. Tomato 1½ medium, cut into small pieces. Green chilies 2-3, cut into small pieces. Coriander leaves 1 bunch, chopped finely. Eggs 3. Beat the eggs smooth. Salt 3/4 teaspoon. Mix salt well. Black pepper 1/4 teaspoon. Mix again. Add pinch of sugar and mix with eggs. Mix bread 4 big slices, tear in small pieces. Now mix the bread pieces in beaten eggs. Add cold milk, ½ cup. Milk must be cold or room temperature. Make a smooth mix. Now add all chopped vegetables. Mix all vegetables with eggs and breads. Now mix finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix consistency should be like this. Add grated cheese 2 cubes. Take this kind of pan, or if you don't have, take a regular frying pan. Grease the pan with oil. Heat the pan. Put the patty mix in hot pan. Cover the pan 3-4 minutes. Keep flame in medium. After 3-4 minutes, brush oil on top and turn the patties. Fry the other side 3-4 minutes. Enjoy hot as breakfast or any time.